As a forex trader, you need to have a particular psychology of when you're in a winning trade, you add more positions, and when you're in a losing trade, you shouldn't add any positions joining to your losing position. So let me explain it more deeper for you. Let's say you spotted a trade and you did your analysis and you placed a trade, and this trade started heading to your direction, started playing as you expected. All you have to do is to add more positions joining to that trade to increase your win ratio to times 2 or times 3 your profits you have to make on that trade. So let's say you're on a losing trade and the trade started going opposite to the direction you expected, and let's say it's heading to break even. You shouldn't add more positions joining to that trade because there's a higher chance that that trade is going to hit your stop loss. There's a higher chance that you're going to lose that trade. So you shouldn't add more positions joining to that existing trade. This is one of the basic psychology you should have as a forex trader in order to become profitable or in order to stay profitable as a forex trader in the forex industry. So guys, comment down below if you like to always add position to only a winning trade. Comment down below. But if you like to always fall victim of adding position to always a losing trade, also comment down below before we get the video started, guys. So right in today's video, we're going to be trading Euro USD. We're going to be trading Euro USD with a simple break of structure strategy with this $100 account you're seeing right on the screen. We're going to see how we can flip it up to maybe $200 in today's video. We're going to be trading it live. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell notified each time I post a video. If you want to get my trading course, the link in the description, or if you want to get mentored by me, just DM me on Instagram. With that being said, let's get the video started. I saw a trade on Euro USD. You can see on Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame, the market was downtrending. We're having a massive downtrend, signifying that sellers are really in control of the market. So take our 2 mark, we see that we have a break of structure at this zone. Market broke out of this zone, so then we then have a retracement at this point. We have a retracement right here. You can see price is currently heading down, so taking a sell right now, putting my stop loss at the top of the retracement zone right here. So let's head over to Euro USD. Let's place on the loss size of around 0.2 loss size sell. Let me check. Let me play the trade first. Let me see if my stop loss range 1.8070. So let's put our stop loss 1.08070. Alright, we're good to go. So you can see our stop loss is just right here. So let me still show you right on the chart. So you can see, just as I explained right on my phone, how I entered this trade. You can see that Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame, the market was downtrending massively, signifying that sellers are really in control of the market. So right here, guys, as you can see, sellers are in control of this market. The market was downtrending, forming highs and lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, just like that. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So as you can see, just as I explained on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price broke this zone first of all, then broke this other zone again, which price went up. Price broke this other zone again, and we then have this retracement. You can see that we then have this retracement right at this point. So, and you can see, first of all, price, you can see when price came to this point from this support zone, price went up to this supply zone, which sellers entered much, pushes the price again. Price came to this support, just like that, and price broke. Right now you can see price from a retracement, so we look forward to a massive sell on this trade. So we're gonna just see, let's just get over to the 4 hour time frame. Let me see, confirm our entry. You can see that the same thing we had a breakout, a break of structure right here. We have a break of structure. You see the retracement, and this candlestick close it up. So we're on the right side, our stop loss just right above the retracement. So I'll update you guys on how this trade plays. We're gonna see if we can scalp it up. So let me check my position size and see if it's okay. Well, let me see if I can add up one more again, one more. Let's just make it 0.4 lot size. So now putting our stop loss right here. 1.08017. So here is our stop loss. We enter this trade. So I'll update you guys on how this trade plays. So guys, the trade played exactly as we thought, a simple break of structure strategy. So guys, the trade played as we expected. You can see it. The trade played as we expected. The thing head to a decent place and we took our profits right at this zone. You can see this green candle retraced this trade. So it went exactly as we thought. You see that the break of structure, and you see that the trade went exactly as we thought, and we made approximately $100 on this trade. We made $100 on this trade, guys. So if you want to learn more about forex trading, get my trading course. If you want to get mentored by me, just DM me and I'll mentor you. So this is how you can trade Euro USD, a simple strategy for beginners. So make sure you like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to notify each time I post a video. See you on another video, guys.